What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today we got a special one for you guys. We are installing coilovers on the E92. I went ahead and reached out to Mts Technik. I don't know if you guys knew, but on my E46 I ran a set of Mts Technik coilovers on there. They were really nice quality for the price. So I went ahead and reached out to them. They actually sell their coilovers through a separate company in the States. So that company is Race German. So I went ahead, reached out to Race German. I got a set of Mts Technik coilovers through Race German. I think I got the street ones. There's three different ones. There's Comfort, Street, and then Sport. And I got the street ones, so I got the ones right in between. And then the Sport ones are pretty much for the track. So, and guys, we got a special discount code for you guys for 10% off your Mts Technik coilovers using code WEEKS. And I'll go ahead and throw up the code over here. It's all caps, so WEEKS, W-E-E-K-S, for 10% off. It's only gonna be for 60 days from when I post this video. So it's not gonna be for too long. So you guys got about 2 months to go ahead and order a set of coilovers. Now is your chance, 10% off. I think they retail for around $750. Excited to be partnering up with Mts Technik again to get these coilovers on. We're gonna go ahead, head over to Nora's house. Erlan's gonna be there as well, and we're all gonna be working on it. So I appreciate the boys for helping me out on this one, because the last time Nick was able to help me, and I really appreciated him for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the boys' channels down below, so check them out as well. They make some great content too. Let's head out, go over to Nora's house, and start installing these bad boys. So we just made it to Nora's house. So we got the car in the garage, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like what the ride height is looking like right now, so you guys can kind of see. There's a pretty good gap in the front. The rear, I don't think it's as bad, but it's still, well, actually that's pretty bad right there, I'm not even gonna lie. So this is kind of what the ride height is looking like right now. Yeah, we definitely need to lower this bad boy. We got the boy out here.
Coilover install.
Coilover install, you already know. About to get some coilovers on this bad boy. Get it lowered quite a bit. But yeah, guys, so I think what we're gonna go ahead and do real quick is get the car prepped. So we're gonna go ahead and jack up everything and just go ahead and start taking it all off. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of work, so we might as well just jump right into it. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the box and show you guys what is in here. Whew. It's looking good over here. Ooh, we got the stickers. Oh, there you go. Comes with a nice instruction manual. Not bad at all. So just in case if you guys don't know what you're doing, they got an instruction manual for you. Alright, let's go ahead and pop these open real quick. That's the rear one. Oh, we got the springs right here. Alright guys, so we just unboxed these coilovers. They do come with iBox springs. Wow, bougie. They do come with iBox springs, which is a great addition. I don't know if you guys can see right down here, iBox right there. And iBox is a great brand. And guys, iBox springs are some of the better springs out there. So that's what makes this kit so special, is that they actually have high quality parts for the price. So you really can't beat that. iBox springs, I'm really excited to go ahead and install these. We got all of them out of the box, and it's a nice red and gold. It looks really good. Yeah, so these ones are the fronts. These are the rear springs right here. And then we also got the rear struts right over here as well. And these ones say Mts Technik on them right over there. So let's go ahead, start jacking up the car and do the front springs first, or the front struts and all that. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. Alrighty guys, so this is the first one we've done so far. So we're gonna go ahead, drop it, and see how low it is. We're probably gonna mess with it more, but this is the first time we're dropping it. So let's go ahead and see real quick. Okay. Okay, it's definitely lower. It already looks better, for sure, but I think we still need to go a little bit lower.
That's pretty low.
No, it looks lower for sure. I think it's just a matter of like a different wheel size, because these are not the wheels I'm gonna be keeping on the car, obviously. I'm gonna be getting a nicer set. But yeah, for now, I think that will be good with like a set of 18s right there. It's definitely lower. It's hard to tell with the 17s, but oh man, yeah, see.
My front bumper's never been that low to the ground.
It is actually hecka low right here.
Can lift. Mine had like a gap like this for some reason.
That actually is hecka low compared to how it was before.
Right over here.
Yeah,
it
see.
already looks better.
It already looks better, huh?
Yeah, like it looks like a sick project they slammed.
Bro, heck yeah, dude. It's looking good. Okay, so now I think we might go ahead and start on the other side. Like I said, we're probably gonna mess with it, tweak it a little bit more. But for now, I think we'll get started on that side, or we might go get lunch, I don't know.
We're starting this side and wait for more.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start on this side. We're gonna wait for Nora, and then we're gonna go get some lunch and then come back. Obviously, you guys probably won't see that, but we're gonna try to get this knocked out. Bruh, here we go. Oh my gosh, dude. That's crazy low now. Yo, that's insanely low. It actually looks decent with these wheels. Bro, because it was like monster truck height with these wheels on. Dude, that's crazy. Looks hecka good. Yeah, guys, check this out. Looks really, really nice.
Getting close. Oof. Dirt nasty low.
Alrighty guys, so we got this side on now. Honestly, it took about 30 minutes. I think I recorded for 30 minutes, and that's as long as it took us to do one side. So it's not that bad. And as you guys can see, the Mts Technik right there looks super, super good. Very happy with how that looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing on this side, and honestly, I'm probably not gonna record it. Let's go ahead and take off this wheel and install this one. I'll show you guys once we're done. Alrighty guys, so we just finished both sides. Now is the moment of truth. Hold on, don't lower it yet, just yet. I'm gonna move this. Now is the moment of truth.
Ready?
Yeah, see how low this thing is.
You got the e-brake up, right?
Yeah.
Dang, I think slam. Bro, I'm about to say he did not do it all the way.
He did.
That thing's on max high right now.
So slam, bro. Oh my gosh, that looks a lot better though. Yeah. Look at that.
You need them wheels, bro.
Woo, I need some wheels now for sure. Holy moly, bro. Look at that fitment. It's the 17s for me.
Yeah,
it is tucking like crazy. How's the other side?
Right side, look at my E92 again. Because mine was this, like pretty much this slam.
Dang, that thing's so
mine's is on spring, so it's very uncomfortable.
His is a little lower, but yours just looks slam for sure. That's what I'd say.
That's crazy. That looks so good. We need to pull this out in the light. That thing is freaking slammed now. Let me close this door. Sheesh. Dude, that's looking hecka good. That's crazy, guys. All right, let's pull this out into the sunlight and see it in better light.
It looks pretty slammed, I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, that's freaking crazy. Look at this. Wow. That is freaking slammed in the front. These wheels are hideous on this car. They don't look bad when they're like slammed like this, but like in general, these wheels are like E90 wheels, not E92 wheels. Look at that right there. That's hecka low. Bro, I might scrape here. I'm gonna try to drive out.
I can't put my foot all the way
Can you put your foot under there?
No, like it's freaking hitting.
Bro, here, let me drive out. Let me see if it will scrape.
Oh, you're done for.
Think so?
Rest in peace, the E92 transmission.
No way.
You gotta go angle.
Scraping?
I don't know, I can't see. Oh, stop right there. Get out. Bruh. Look at that.
Yeah.
He needs to run a lip still.
Yo, what the freak?
On the 328, I cracked it coming down here.
You cracked?
Yeah.
Bro, look at that. That's freaking sick right here. That's a heck of a picture. That's crazy. That looks so good. Even with these wheels, guys, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I am gonna be ordering wheels like literally in a few days, so.
Probably 30 minutes.
That's freaking crazy though. Wow. That does look a lot better. He needs some wheels. It's quicker? Dang, you think it just has fresh turbos?
Because it's fresh turbos, and I think it's tuned already.
Really?
That thing pulls. Like it shouldn't pull. Like
Is there a way you can tell if it's tuned or not?
Yeah, you just plug a tuner into it and it'll tell you. Like if it plugs the MHD adapter, it'll tell them if there's already MHD tune on there.
That's crazy.
Those headlights are sick, huh?
Yeah, they're pretty sick. They match the wrap.
Headlights,
Bro, you just need wheels now, bro. But that looks kind of crazy.
yeah, park.
That voice cracked though.
All right, we're gonna let Erlon drive it to see, make sure. Dang, dude. I've never heard it from like outside like this. And it looks so good, bro. That's so crazy.
Literally just some wheels, bro.
Literally some wheels and it'll look freaking flawless. Crazy. Holy crap. I'm happy with how it turned out. Bro, I'm freaking tired though, it's hot. But it looks good. It looks good when it's driving. I'm excited. Alrighty guys, so this is the end of the video now. We finally got those coilovers installed. Super happy with how they turned out. It is the next day, and I feel like even though technically they are pressed from factory, I think they still settle even just a little bit because the car even looks like it's sitting lower somehow. Like it is tucked back here, guys. Like, look at this fitment right here. Like that is like, whew. It's looking so good. Like look at that right there. I'm loving that. Next up though for the car is definitely some nice wheels. I'm thinking of a set that I think would look really, really good. So I'm probably gonna buy that here really soon. But yeah, Like I said, guys, in the beginning of the video, there is a 10% off discount code if you guys want these coilovers. The code is WEEKS. So I will have the link down below. Definitely go check it out. I'll leave the link down below to the coilovers as well as the discount code, so it's really, really easy. 10% off. Can't really beat that. Now is the time to get it. But yeah, guys, let me go ahead and get some more B-roll for you. This car is looking so good. I honestly love the lowered car look. I used to never do it because I was scared of like scraping and all that, but at this point I don't even care. I'm just slamming it all the way. So anyway, let's go get some B-roll for you guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that real quick. Definitely go check me out on Instagram. I'm posting on there. I'll go ahead and leave it right over here. Make sure to subscribe while you guys are at it. I would really appreciate that. Make sure to give the video a like if you enjoyed it, or if it helped you decide if you actually want to get some coilovers. Make sure to hit that like button. I would really appreciate that. And with that being said, guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.
Back on deck on my fly, really on my, pay some respect to my mindset, head blowing smoke, catch a contact.